Hi guys, welcome back to another YouTube video. Today's video is Nykaa Hot Pink Sale haul, and this video is also going to be a try-on haul so that you can see what the product actually looks like. I will not say that this is a huge Nykaa haul or something like that, because I tried to purchase products which are new to me, like some new products, so that I can try it out, review them, so that you can also understand, what the new product actually feels or looks like, what it is about. So I tried to go through my wish list as well, and here I have 3 boxes of makeup. Let's get into this video. I have a full face of makeup because I was filming a reel and it was like a try-on reel for you all. So the first product that I have is from Face Shop. This is their Volcanic Lava Impurity Removing Nose Mask, and this is what it looks like. It is a 50 ml product and it costs for rupees 500, but I got it for I think 400 and something like this. What it looks like, I will say it did work. I heard really good things about this, so that's why I thought of purchasing this one. I definitely feel that my nose area was feeling very smooth after using this particular product. You need to apply the pack all over your nose or wherever you want, and after 10 to 15 minutes you need to peel it off. That's a very easy thing. You can travel with this as well. Very beautiful, and the packaging is so cute. So the first product is this one from Face Shop. The second product is this one. This is Dot and Key Lip Plumping Sleeping Mask, and this is a 15 ml product, and this is going to nourish your lips, hydrate and remove pigmentation at the same time. So this is what it looks like. I will say it actually is a little bit pricey. Like for 15 ml you pay 295, which is 300 rupees, and this is like the quantity is quite good, but this is what it looks like. I used it and this is what I have on my lips. It contains a sheer color as well, so you are not applying something which is clear. So it contains a little bit of color, like a cherry red kind of a color. It just fade away after some time, but I think it's pretty good. My lips feel very hydrated, and it is like, it does not contain any strong smell or strong taste which will hurt my throat and my nose. Does not contain something like that, and I think you can definitely go for it if you want. The next product is from Revlon, and this is their Skin Awaken Caffeine Plus Vitamin C Color Stay Concealer, and I have this in the shade 050. This is what it looks like. The applicator actually reminds me of the Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and it is very tiny. It contains, I think, 8 ml of product, and this is what it looks like. You need to open the packaging like this, and here you will get the product. My shade is a little bit deep. Intentionally I picked up a deeper shade just because I want it for my skin as well. Like, I will not only use it as my concealer, I will use it as my base makeup sometimes as well. But if you have a lighter color concealer, it's very hard for you to blend it all over your face as a base color. So that's why this is really good. This is what I have all over my face. Gives a beautiful glow as well, and very full coverage. You can see my dark circles. I haven't used any powder and it looks so beautiful. I think you should definitely go for this one. I'm really happy with the product. This product is this one from Huda Beauty. This is Huda Beauty Contour and Bronzer Cream. This is their cream contour and bronzing product in the shade Fair, and this is what it looks like. It is a beautiful product, and I'm just so happy that I picked up this product because it blends like magic. It was मैंने wishlist पे बहुत दिनों तक रख दिया था इसको, and finally I have it with me, and I'm super happy how it blends, how it feels. And the shade Fair is actually very natural for my skin tone. If you are a deeper skin tone, make sure you take a deeper shade up, obviously, but the shade Fair is beautiful, especially if you have a fair skin tone or a medium to fair skin tone. You're gonna love this particular shade. It is very natural. Especially contouring, bronzing हम लोग नहीं करते हैं every day, but if you take the shade Fair, you can do it every day because it's so natural looking, and it will just bronze up your face, a shape and a contrast. So definitely I think this product is really good. I also picked up this product. This is from Essence. This is Make Me Eyebrow Gel Mascara in the shade 02. इसका और एक shade है 01 I think, which is like a very lighter shade for Indian eyebrows. finally I have this shade with me and I have it on my eyebrows. It also contains like fibers in it, which makes your eyebrow look very fuller. It gives that like volume effect to your eyebrows. I am happy with the product. This is really good and it made my eyebrow look very fuller. You can definitely take this. I was like, okay, this is in stock and I have to pick this up because it is always out of stock whenever I search it on Nykaa, but finally have it with me. The quantity is a little bit small, but I think for the price you are paying, it is worth it. You guys know how much I love Essence product, right? So I think this is a must-have if you are looking for a good eyebrow mascara. And if you don't know what is eyebrow mascara is to set your eyebrow, which will stay in place for a longer period of time, and it will also give your eyebrows a shape and it will make it more fuller. If you have like thick voluminous eyebrow naturally, then this product will be your best friend. You do not need to fill in your eyebrows. You can just use it, brush it, and you're good to go. So I use eyebrow pencil, and then on top of that I use this one to give my eyebrows a little bit more depth and fuller effect. I picked up this eyelash set from this brand called Usher. I think that's how you pronounce the name. They're 3-piece eyelash set, one I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I will say I was expecting a lot from this, but this is, I don't know, I don't like it. The shape looks weird and it's very heavy. I can feel like a very heavy thing on top of my eyes, and it is not at all comfortable at the same time. So I will not recommend this personally, and I don't think I'm gonna use it ever again. I am going to, this is like very plasticky. I can feel the quality is not that good, whereas you can get Mars and Swiss Beauty and so many other different affordable eyelashes, and Pack, so many other different eyelash like set, and they are very high quality, very comfortable as well. But this is not at all comfortable, and this is like very cheap. I don't like it. I also picked up this not eyebrow pencil. This is Faces Canada Magnet Eyes Kajal in the shade brown. I have it all over my eyelid as a 1-and-done eyeshadow, and this is so beautiful, very creamy. You can take your time, smudge the kajal or use it as your eyeliner as well. A brown kajal is a must-have if you are going out somewhere. If you want to do a very everyday natural kind of a look, brown kajal is a must-have for you. So this one from Faces Canada is amazing. It's very soft, very pigmented, glides like butter, and you get a lot of product as well, and very affordable at the same time. But I don't think that it is smudge proof. Like, I tested it once mere haath ke upar and I smudged it, and instantly it was like nothing was there. So I don't think, I have to test this out a little bit more and if this is smudge proof or not. But rather than that, I really loved the quality of this. Very pigmented, and how smooth and buttery the formula is. I loved this particular product. I also picked up my favorite hair mask. This is Sol de Janeiro Hair Repair Treatment, and I love this particular hair mask for my hair. I don't use anything else rather than this one. This smells like heaven. Like, literally your bathroom, your hair is going to smell like, I don't know what, but the smell is so good, like the classic Sol de Janeiro smell. If you have ever used a Sol de Janeiro product, you know what I'm talking about. A Sol de Janeiro product contains that beautiful classic smell to it, and I am obsessed. I love this product so much. This is their, I think, 75 ml one. They are very expensive, but I love it so much. I think this is like my 4th time I purchased this product, and it is so good. One day I'm gonna purchase the full size one, and it is like a hair treatment which is going to nourish and make your hair feel very healthy. It is very hydrating, very creamy, very buttery, and very heavy, like a hair mask which is very heavy and moisturizing at the same time. So I picked up this one. This is a very beautiful product. Got few samples as well. Two samples from Sol de Janeiro. Their shampoo, conditioner, their Boom Boom cream, and this one is Dot and Key calming face wash, blemish clearing calming face wash, which is like a 15 ml one. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And I am very excited for the minis, for the samples, for the gifts that they sent me. Pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you guys really loved this particular haul. Let me know what you purchased from this particular sale. What was your favorite product? What product you think that you wasted your money, and what product you think that you absolutely loved it? Let me know in the comments. I am so excited to hear what you guys purchased from this Nykaa sale. Even if you haven't purchased anything, it is absolutely fine. You don't have to purchase. If you think that you need any product, you can. But if you think you want to skip it, definitely you can go for it. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.